Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add your Roblox account to your Discord profile. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Discord application from my PC. And first of all, we need to go to the Discord setting and go to the connections. Okay, and here you can add your social media account to your Discord profile. You can click on this option to view more apps, and here you can choose Roblox since we want to add Roblox account to Discord. Okay, and it will be automatically opened the Roblox, and here you just need to log into Roblox. Wait, let me log in. Okay, I have logged into my Roblox and this is my Roblox account. And then I'm going to click on select here. And now my Roblox account has been selected. And then I'm going to click on continue. Okay, and click on confirm and give access. And we will be back to Discord after this. And wait, it's still loading. I'm going to go back to Discord. And okay, now my Roblox account has been added to my Discord profile. And I'm going to open up my profile here. Okay guys, and my Roblox account has been added to my Discord profile. Okay, and that's all the way to add Roblox account to Discord profile. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.